So you want to learn how to make the Zig Zag friendship macrame bracelet using the Microcord. If that's the case, stay with us by the end of this video. Enjoy and have fun. Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. As you can see here, we have the 4 separate bundles or pairs of a green and the blue microcord, 1.5 millimeters in diameter, and we're gonna use also this small buckle, 3/8 of an inch, and the Paracord JIG. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So first we're gonna take our blue and green. As you can see here, this is the part where I join them together, and we're gonna create the basic cow stitches on our buckle. Here we have created our bracelet base, and this is the pattern. So as you can see, we have the green on the outer sides, then 2 blues and 2 green in the middle. So we're gonna start. First we're gonna create with this first green on the left side, double knot to the right with this blue. So take the green, place it on top of the blue, under and from the back through, and tie it, and once more, and here with the blue and the green we're gonna create a double knot to the right side. So take the green, place it on top of the blue, make it around and from the back through, we're gonna create the double knot to the left side with the green again. So on top of the blue, around and from the back through, now we're gonna join these 2 greens. So with the left green, create a double knot to the right side, so the left green on top of the right green, from the back through, now with the blue, again double knot to the right side, and with the green again, double knot, but this time to the left side. So take the right side green, place it on top of the left one, around and from the back through. Now we're gonna take our blue and we're gonna create a double knot to the right side with this green. So place the blue on top of the green, around and from the back through. Now with this right side blue, create the double knot to the left side. Now we're gonna pass to our second blue. So take the blue and create a double knot to the left side. So the blue on top of the green, around and from the back through. Now tie it. And once more. Now with this blue strand, we're gonna create the double knot with this green to the right side. From here, we're gonna take this blue, right side blue, and create the double knot to the left side with this other blue. So place the right side blue on top of the left side blue, around and from the back through. With this center green, we're gonna create double knot to the right side. So take the left side green, place it on top of the right side green, around and from the back through. And with these two blue strands, we're gonna create the double knot to the right side. So take the left strand blue, place it on top of the right side blue, then around, under and from the back through, and tie it. And once more. So this is the first segment of today's bracelet. Now we're gonna proceed. So, when you reach the desired length of your bracelet, like I have here, let me just show you. We're gonna cut the one strand of each color in pairs, and then with the other 4 strands we're gonna create the double cow stitches or cow stitches. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like this bracelet. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Enjoy and have fun. Bye!